Alright, so the first type of compressor that we'll be going over is the reciprocating compressor, which is also called the piston compressor because it resembles the piston that you find inside a combustion engine of a car. And just like inside the combustion engine, this piston goes up and down on a crankshaft, right? And when it goes down, it's pulling these blue dots, which are low pressure, low temperature vapor, into the chamber. And as the compressor pushes the piston back up, these red dots, which are symbolizing the high pressure, high temperature vapor, are starting to be formed. It's transitioning from a low pressure to a higher pressure because, as we learned in the last video, as your volume shrinks, your pressure and your temperature rise because they're inversely proportional. So these green springs, they're symbolizing one-way valves where the vapor can go in through this way, but it can't go back out this way. And on the same way, it can go up and out, but it can't come from here back in. So then that helps ensure that we're bringing only vapor from the left side and pushing it out onto the right side.
You know, where I'm from, we never have snow. So this is what we have to do when we make snow angels, just in the grass. You know, maybe you should try sometime. I know you've been kept up in that room of yours just scrolling down YouTube videos. So after this video, and after you like and subscribe, how about you just come out, touch some grass?